So we have arrived at Kamikochi Imperial Hotel, which is the supposedly the oldest hotel in a nature luxury hotel in Japan. So it's the same Imperial Hotel as the one in Tokyo. It has this kind of alpine lodge look. And this is where we will be staying for the night. It is at the in Kamikochi, one of the famous national parks in Japan, and located along the northern Alps region, which Nagano shares with a few other prefectures. So come around and we will be checking in. I think we're supposed to go around, I guess, the back or the front. So the driver picked us up from Matsumoto Station. The hotel commissioned a private vehicle and dropped us off at Taisho Pond or Taisho Ike. And then we walked about an hour to here with some really nice views along the way, including the Tashiro Shitsugen, which is, Shitsugen is in Japanese, it's marshland. So this is another view of the Kamikochi Imperial Hotel. And yeah, so I guess this is where the main entrance is, where the car drops people off. There is the entrance to a restaurant called Alpen Rose, which is a casual dining place. You can see casual dining, Alpen Rose. There's people taking photos and picnic. So let me get another view. Here, see that over here. Looks like cars, private vehicles are not allowed during the main season, which runs from May all the way to about November. So here we are, Kamikochi Teikoku Hotel. Konnichiwa, check-in desu. Here we are. Ida to moshimasu. Hai. This is the lounge. Nice fireplace. You can just chill out. So the original National Park Nature Lodge in Japan, Kamikochi Imperial Hotel.